Hello, welcome back. We are continuing with our data analysis review, and today we're going to start with another data set called rotten tomato or rotten tomato. So, like we all know, now the purpose of this training is basically to guide us on how to undo some of the projects that we have. And the purpose of that is that the more we deal on different projects, the more experts we become. We cannot know everything about Excel. We cannot know everything about Power BI. We cannot know everything about Tableau. We cannot know everything about SQL, neither everything about Python. But we can always improve the way we do things from time to time. If you are given an analysis to do this year, the way you are going to analyze it is going to be different from the way you're going to do it next year. In fact, 6 months from now, because you're going to look at it from different perspective. Again, not the same way you look at it sometimes ago. And the more practice you do, if you practice on daily basis, even if you spend 5 minutes or 10 minutes daily, in 6 months you cannot be the same. You cannot just be on the same spot. So that is the reason why we are going through all these projects together. So I want us to practice, like I said last week when we started with which did that did we use last week, Seth? I think it's what project did we do last week? I forgot the name that we used Excel for. I think it's Marvin something like that. I can't remember again. Okay, okay. That's a space mission. Space mission. So, and I want to believe by now we started working on that space mission. Madam Toyin, how are you doing? Hello, are you hearing me at all? Mr. Suleiman, how far have you gone on a space mission with Excel?
Yeah,
I know you
I would say
travel. I
I've
know you
gotten up
travel
with
both
everything.
to and fro.
I've gotten up with
But have you
everything because I
started?
gave a lot of time. Yeah,
You said
so I've gotten up with everything. I've gotten almost everything we discussed, all the charts,
okay,
everything. I've
great.
gotten everything.
Okay, so you have done. You are currently on like the third video, right?
Yeah, I've done. I've watched the third video as well.
Okay, and you have watched it.
All
Have
the
you
line, all
done
the
it?
data.
Have you done it? Not watching. Have you
I've,
done it?
I've watched it. I've watched it, but my problem is the year that I'm having on my system, it's 2013. And 2013
2030, yeah.
doesn't have
2013
where
should
to
have
play. So
now.
I want
I
to
think
check.
20, okay, 2013 should have. It's like at that
It
time,
doesn't have
maybe
it. It doesn't have.
it should.
It's not
2013
there.
should.
It's not.
Okay,
It's
well,
not
I
there.
don't. Even though I know that they are, they used to have a various different version of every version. So that
So
2013,
I was trying to
you
follow
have
you the way
2013,
you are doing it. That's why.
you have 2013 home, 2013 professional, 2013 oríṣiríṣi. I know they used to have different version of every version. So maybe that's the reason why. You know what you're going to do?
So
Eh? Go online.
yeah.
The version you are
Okay.
using, the version of 2013 you are using, find the add-on
Yeah.
for Power Pivot add-on for that version.
Okay.
You will download and you just download and install it.
I'm trying. I'm trying. Okay. Behind the carry that
Yes, you will download and install
because
from
I
online.
was trying to subscribe to 365 tonight. I
Okay,
want to
that's good.
subscribe to 365.
That is better. That is better. So
That
that
is
you
my
can
plan. I'm
you can
trying
be
to
on.
do it.
Okay, great. I like that. I like that. That's
Oh,
good. That's better. But I'm telling you, how about you? Where are you now? And I'm telling you, where are you now? on your project?
Sir?
Where are you on
Ah,
the project? On the space mission
is it the
project?
space mission?
Yes.
Ah, I have not done anything.
Ha, ha, ha. Please see, just create some time daily. Create time. You want to be, it's like it's stressful, but spend money on the training, spend time already. Just try to achieve. Once you achieve it, you know you have achieved that. Are you getting me now? Once you
Yes,
achieve it,
sir.
you know you've achieved it.
Mr. Kim, sorry.
Yes.
Then is it compulsory for me to follow exactly the way you
No,
present your own, or
no,
just
no.
present the way
It's not compulsory.
I actually think you should
It's
present?
not you. I want, in fact, what I prefer. I know I'm just guiding you through. I'm just guiding you through.
Okay, okay,
Aha.
okay.
So it's just a guide. It's not. Yeah, we can't do exactly.
Okay,
You cannot do analysis and get the same thing because we cannot be
okay.
thinking the same way. It is what I did is just a guide for you.
That's
Are you getting me? Yeah, it's just a guide.
all right.
It's just a guide, not something that
Whatever
you
you do, we
are
are
going to
going
say.
to share with you so that it's
Just a guide. Yes, just guide. Just a guide. That is it. It is just a guide. Are you getting me? So if you do the same exactly the same thing, that would not be more. That would not be professional of you.
all right.
Yeah, you can borrow idea from my own, but at least it's a guide. It shows you step by step of what you can do. And while we are doing, you can see that I'm asking question. I was asking question while we are doing it. So what you do better, you can do something better than now. I've done something now. You cannot think ahead of what I've done and do something better than what I've done. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm sharing my screen right away.
All right.
Sharing my screen right away. I've downloaded my own rotten tomato, and let me quickly open the data movie rating. Let's read this out. This is what we want to work on, something like this. Okay, movie rating, ratings and review for 15,000 movies reviewed by Rotten Tomato. Each record includes film's details, that is title, description, rating, genre, director, cast, release date, studio, runtime, etc., as well as featured review, tomato meter status, and audience rating. So we have recommended analysis. What does distribution of film look like by rating? Rating by the review. What percentage of the film reviewed received a certified fresh tomato rating? What about rotten? Okay. Explore new film releases over time. As how has the volume of release by month trended over time? What year and month were the most new films released? Compare average tomato meter rating by studio. Which studio produced the highest rated film on average or on the lowest? And compare the tomato meter rating against audience rating. What film showed the largest discrepancies between audience and
Hello, Madam Tony. Hello, Madam Tony.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Good evening. I can't hear anything again from you, sir.
Uh,
Issue?
yeah, I think his network went off. He's trying to reconnect back
Oh,
again. Yeah.
you need to drop before so that you can join. You need to drop.
Well, I don't
It
think
was the
so,
one that
but
created us.
okay, maybe we should try. Maybe we should try logging in back again then.
Okay. So let's drop the call and see. Okay.
Okay.